Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove your headphones Edifier W830NB from the application. So now let's starting with open the application, and this application haven't a button to just remove it. So how we can do it? We have a few options. We can turn off the headphones, and now you will see that it just gone. Also, we can disconnect headphones or unpair it. You can disconnect it in the application. Just go to settings right here, and right here we have Bluetooth settings and we have disconnect Bluetooth. Also, you can turn off it in the application by just click power off right here. Or you can go to settings, connected devices, click the settings icon near to your headphones, or click information icon if you have iOS, and forget this device, and it will be gone from the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.